Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Live from Total Value RV. Guys, I wanted to take a moment to tell you a little story about the Fab Four. Four couples, all from Boulder City, Nevada, gave Total Value RV a call and said, hey, can we get some Arias? We said, of course. They wanted them factory fresh, low miles, so they could be the first person to put the critical miles on their coach. So, let's tell you a little story about the Fab Four. First of all, you see Tyson and Mary. Then you'll have Al and Linda. Then you'll have Dan, Perry, and Kobe. And then you'll have Mike and Gail. They could be coming to a campground near you, so if you have a chance to say hello to the Fab Four, ask them about their brand new 2019 Arias, and ask them why they went to the place where you come in as strangers and you leave as friends. And you buy them where they're built. Total Value RV. Now guys, we're going to go to a short little story of their visit to the Thor factory.
About 1,900 miles away from Thor Motor Coach, there's a small town in Nevada called Boulder City. Just over 15,000 people live there. People like Al and Linda Dollar, Dan and Perry Blackman, Ty and Mary Ballard, and
Mike and Gail Sorensen. We were the last ones in.
They said, you want to buy a motorhome?
We're all new to this.
now these aren't random strangers who met in the Thor Motor Coach lobby. Oh no. Some of these friendships go back more than 40 years. And there is nothing they love more than spending time together.
Just knowing that we all had that same passion and that, liking the outdoors and wanting to travel, and just conversationally, it was like, well, we're in the market for one. We're in the market for one.
Yep.
Let's all do it together.
So that's what they did. Perry did a lot of legwork, looking for a coach that met all of her and Dan's needs.
So I went online and Googled it, and it popped up. And the more I looked, the more everything checked off. Okay, they got this, had everything we wanted.
So she called Al and Linda, who called Ty and Mary, and they met Mike and Gal for dinner.
And they said, well, you guys are going to get some motorhomes pretty soon. And I said, pretty soon? Tomorrow morning, put the deposit. He goes, already? We said, yeah. He said, what are you getting? We said, the Thor Aria 3401. I said, look at it? He goes, no. He says, I want one though. And we hadn't even had a beer yet. And I looked at him, and Dan looked at me, and we were like, yeah. And so he says, I said, well, the deposit goes in tomorrow morning. It's non-refundable. He said, how much is it? He had a checkbook out. I said, Mike, why are you doing this? He said, well, I've always wanted one. And between Ty's owning this is fourth, Dan's his third, mine's second. If you guys want them, it must be good. And that's how he got his.
Simple, right? But we could not let them drive off in their new Arias before taking a tour of the factory to see how their coaches are hand assembled.
I love production. I love fabrication. So this is great. It's awesome.
As they saw how their Arias started life on the Atlas Foundation, to the tile flooring, cabinets, and paint.
Oh yeah, Heritage.
Those two in the back.
Yep. There's my Sapphire.
The longtime friends grew more and more excited about the new possibilities of where they are going to go and what they are going to see.
We've been going all over the country just sightseeing, visiting a few friends that we know, different places that we go. And now what we're going to do with this one, the smaller one than the bigger one that we had, is we can go to places like in state parks, federal parks. We couldn't get in with a 45-foot.
I just retired a couple months ago, and this was one of our dreams, was to be able to have a really nice coach, to be able to go travel in, be with friends, go visit our family, because we have 3 sons spread across the country. So to be able to go from southern Nevada back to Tennessee, to go to California, Central California, and that type of thing, it was a real plus.
We cruised a lot, so we've seen a lot of countries, which was really nice. But to be able to see, he's never been to Yellowstone. I've never been to a lot of places either. So we're going to see places together that some of us have not seen.
Mine's easy, seeing the grandkids. This is a home on wheels that we can go see each one.
And when they get back to Boulder City, they already know they are going to be the talk of the town. A town with 1 traffic light, and now 4 Arias.
It's going to be pretty amazing to
That's
see
gonna
the
be
Thor
amazing.
going down the highway and through town.
We're calling ourselves the Fab Four.
How about we call all of you a part of the Thor Motor Coach family? We're glad you're here.
So you might say, how can I get this whole process started just like the Fab Four? Well, you can get a hold of us on the telephone, 866-282-4460, or you can visit us on the web at totalvaluerv.com, or if you happen to be driving and you're on the 8090 toll road, get off at exit 92, come to the first light, take a right, go to the next light, take another right, go through the four-way stop where the Fab Four also stopped, and then take your very next right. So 3 right turns in order to make the right decision. And guys, if you watched it all the way through, thanks for watching.